Hi friends, this is 5 minutes to go YouTube channel. Here is OnePlus Nord CE2 Lite 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can do hard reset or factory data reset to your phone OnePlus Nord CE2 Lite 5G. First of all, switch off your phone. For this, just long press this power button. If it's not working in your phone, you got to use power button and volume up button together for having power off option. In my case, power off option is appearing when I press power button itself and click on power off option here, and yes, phone is switched off. If you experience one vibration, you can make sure that your phone is switched off. Now you got to use power button and volume down button together. This time you got to use volume down button. Just press and hold them together for a few seconds until hard reset menu appears. And yes, release the buttons, and now click on English, select language and click on wipe data. Click on wipe data, and it will ask you to enter temporary code that is displayed in the screen. This code will be different to you, so use the code that is displayed now and click on OK. Click on format data and click on OK. Yes, wipe data is going on. Yes, it is completed successfully and click on OK. Now your phone will be restarting. Just wait few seconds. Yes, everything will be set now. And now follow the on-screen instruction to set up your phone. You can set up your phone like a fresh one. Select the language and click on agree. Wherever possible, just skip and you can later do some settings. So now do quick settings. I set it in offline. Click on accept from terms and conditions from Google. Click on skip. I click on skip again. Click on next. Click on done. Yes, phone setup is complete, and you can later do some modification in your settings. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.